clear, exam-ready form. Stanza 1. I wandered lonely as a cloud. मैं बादल की तरह तिन्हा घूम रहा था. That floats on high o'er vales and hills, जो वादियों और पहाड़ियों के ऊपर बुलंदी पर तैरता है. When all at once I saw a crowd, अचानक मैंने एक हजूम देखा. A host of golden daffodils. सनहरी नर्गिस के फूलों की एक बड़ी तादाद. Beside the lake, beneath the trees, झील के किनारे, दरख्तों के नीचे. Fluttering and dancing in the breeze. हवा में लहराते और नाचते हुए. Stanza 2. Continuous as the stars that shine, चमकते हुए सितारों की तरह मुसलसल फैले हुए. And twinkle on the Milky Way, और कहकशां में झलमला रहे हों. They stretched in never-ending line, वो एक ना खत्म होने वाली कतार में फैले हुए थे. Along the margin of a bay, खलील के किनारे के साथ साथ. 10,000 saw I at a glance, मैंने एक नजर में हजारों फूल देखे. Tossing their heads in sprightly dance, जो खुशी से अपने सर हिलाते हुए नाच रहे थे. Stanza 3. The waves beside them danced, but they उनके पास लहरें भी नाच रही थीं. मगर ये फूल outdid the sparkling waves in glee. खुशी में चमकती लहरों से भी बढ़कर थे. A poet could not but be gay. कोई शायर खुश हुए बगैर नहीं रह सकता था. In such a jocund company, ऐसी खुश मजाज सहबत में I gazed and gazed little thought मैं देखता ही रहा. मगर मैंने कम ही सोचा. What wealth the show to me had brought. कि ये मंजर मेरे लिए कितनी बड़ी दौलत लाया है. Stanza 4. For oft when on my couch I lie. अक्सर जब मैं अपने बस्तर पर लेटता हूँ. In vacant or in pensive mood, खाली ज़हन या सोच में डूबा हुआ. They flash upon that inward eye. वो फूल मेरी अंदरूनी आंख में चमक उठते हैं. Which is the bliss of solitude, जो तन्हाई की खुशी है. And then my heart with pleasure fills. तब मेरा दिल खुशी से भर जाता है. And dances with the daffodils, और नरगिस के फूलों के साथ झूमने लगता है. 1. Who is the speaker in the poem, and what is he doing in the beginning? The speaker is the poet, Wordsworth. In the beginning, he is walking alone in nature, wandering like a cloud. 2. Which natural element is he compared to in the first line? He is compared to a cloud floating high in the sky. When does the speaker encounter the daffodils, and how are they described? He sees the daffodils suddenly while walking near a lake under trees. They are described as a large group of golden flowers, fluttering and dancing in the breeze. 4. How does the poet describe the number of daffodils? He says they are continuous like stars in the Milky Way and look like 10,000 flowers at a glance. This shows they are very many. What action is being performed by the daffodils in the breeze? They are fluttering, dancing, and tossing their heads happily. 6. How do the waves beside the daffodils compare to the daffodils themselves? The waves are also dancing, but the daffodils are happier and more lively than the waves. 7. What effect do the daffodils have on the poet's mood? They make the poet very happy and joyful. 8. What does the poet mean by jocund company? Jocund company means cheerful and happy companions. The daffodils feel like joyful friends to the poet. 9. What happens when the poet lies on his couch in a vacant or pensive mood? When he is resting and thinking, the memory of the daffodils comes to his mind. 10. What is the inward eye the poet mentions? The inward eye means the mind's eye or imagination, the ability to see things in memory. 11. How does the memory of the daffodils affect the poet in the end? The memory fills his heart with pleasure, and he feels so happy that his heart dances with the daffodils.